first task 17.1, we will add a new foreign employee. We assume we hire one foreign employee, so we need to record as a new employee under Payroll. Then select Employee, Employee Maintenance. Then we click on Add New. The new employee full name is Foreigner. And then for the identity card or passport, you have to choose for passport. So enter the passport number, which is P123456789. And all these numbers and name is only for the training purpose. You may change it accordingly. The gender will be male, and then date of birth is 5th of May 1995. So since we only enter passport, you have to manually select for the date of birth. So 1995 May 5th May. Alright, so the date of birth is 5th May 1995, and the age will be automatic calculates from the date of birth, which is 25 years old, and the race we select is others. Immigration number, you have to enter the immigration number, which is V333333, and then enter the marital status, which is single. Select the marital status, which is single. After that, you scroll down and see the information, what else you need to enter. For example, the resident, country, and then nationality. This one you may skip, or you may just delete for nationality. As you know, this one is a foreign worker, so this one is optional for you. You can delete the nationality. And then we go to another information, which is employment detail. Now if you go back to the nationality, as you can see, this one is optional. There's no asterisk sign, means this is not a compulsory information that you need to enter. Now we go back to employment detail. Under employment detail, you have to enter for the job title, which is sales officer. Department will be under SSM, which is sales and marketing. And then for the superior is Tom Cruise. After that, we enter the employee. Employee types is just a default. There's no need to choose for the employee types. We choose for which type will be monthly. And then basic rate is 3,000 ringgit. Now you can click here to read on the minimum wages. This one will be linked to the government website, which is the minimum wages that you have to give to your employee. So we go back here. For the paid frequently, it will be monthly. Payment by will be bank transfer. So after you have done enter this one, we go to another employment info. So under this employment info, what else information we need to enter? Which is employee group, which is standard. And then calendar will be default. So basically this foreigner will be based at the HQ. Branch also will be at HQ. After that, we choose for the overtime. If let's say foreigner have do any overtime, the calculation for overtime will be monthly pay. Last, we enter the join date for foreigner, which is on the month of April 1st. So 1st of April, foreigner join our company. After you have done enter the employment detail, we go to the next one, which is statutory requirement. So under this statutory requirement, we have to enter the so category, because EPF For the foreigner, don't need to contribute for the EPF, so that's why EPF we just leave it blank. So this one you can click on X button to delete, and then we go to the sort so. So for the foreigner, employee can only claim for the sort so. So sort so category will be for category number 2. So you have to choose the category number 2, which is employment injury scheme, category 2, and then enter the sort so number, which is P 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, and then sort so employment status, just leave it blank. And then contribute EIS, you have to uncheck. They will not contribute EIS. EIS only applicable for Malaysian citizen. So now we scroll down for the income tax. For the income tax, we choose resident for the tax status. The tax number we enter is SG 56565656, and then for the EA serial number, tax branch, tax bond by employer, we just leave it blank. Scroll down for others. There's no foreign worker levy we have to select. We only need to select for last one, which is contribute HRDF, we have to uncheck. So after we have done for statutory requirement, we need to go to another one, which is for the bank account. Since we already mentioned for the salary will be based on the bank transfer, so that's why you have to include for the bank account. So the bank account for foreigner is Malayan Banking Berhad. So we select Malayan. So we type Malayan. Malayan Banking Berhad. It's quite difficult for us to select for the bank. So we choose Malayan Banking Berhad. After that, enter the account number, which is 454500004545, and then beneficiary will be automatic foreigner. There's no IC number need to enter. Study represent will be 100%. So once we have done, we just click on save. Invalid DOB according to IC. Are you sure you want to continue? Now if you click on no, let's go back and check for the IC. It's supposed to be passport, not IC. So we go back to the personal profile. As you can see, it's a passport. Alright, the date of birth is 5th of May 1995. So we just click on save. So just click on yes. Employee foreigner has been created successfully. Click on continue. So we have done and successfully create one foreign worker or foreign employee.